Let me show you how to remove the passkey from your Google account. This works the exact same on iPhone, Android, or computer. Now, first just open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and we're going to go to google.com. And from here, we need to get into your account information. So you can tap on your profile and then go to your account. Specifically, we're going to myaccount.google.com, and this will show you all of your information about your logged in account. Now, let's navigate over to the passkeys by going over and tapping on that security, and then you can see passkeys and your securities. Keep in mind when you do this, it might ask you for your Face ID or just to confirm that you own this account. After you've done that, you'll be able to see you can create a passkey, or if you already have one on here, you can tap that little X and it says remove your only passkey. You'll no longer be able to sign in using your passkey, but you can use other methods to sign in. Just hit the remove button and you're good to go.